Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the most requested Starbucks video that I've had in a while. That is the cinnamon cloud macchiato. One thing people don't know in the cloud macchiato is that lemon syrup is used with the cinnamon. So I will show you how to make that today, along with all the ingredients, and the measurements that I used will be located in the description box, along with a link to my caramel cloud macchiato video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on making this drink. First, you'll use your favorite cup. As you can see, I'm using my Starbucks cup. I'm going to be adding some milk to it. Now, the best part about these cups that you can get on Amazon is that they have the lines on there so you can measure it. I'm just pouring the milk into my blender. Now, everybody owns a blender, so I figured this was the easiest way to make froth. You're going to add 3 tablespoons of your egg white powder. This is very crucial because this will help fluffen up the foam. Now I'm adding my cinnamon syrup. As you can see, I'm using my favorite little shot glasses, Starbucks. Now you're going to add a little bit of the lemon syrup. This is one of my favorite. It has a very natural lemon taste to it, and it's not too sugary. You're going to add this directly into the milk mixture so that way it can get blended perfectly and the flavor is just so delicious. Now we start to blend. We're going to blend the ingredients for about 1 minute and 30 seconds so that way we can get as much froth as possible. Now, while you are blending the ingredients, you will pull your shots. Here I'm using my espresso, and if you are interested in my espresso, I will make sure to leave that in the description box as well. Now we start making our drink. You're going to drizzle the caramel sauce inside the cup. Not only is it aesthetically pleasing, but it's also very flavorful as well. Now we pour our mixture into our cup, and you're going to make sure that mixture reaches the top line. Now we are going to put some ice into our mixture. We're going to make sure that we have just enough room for the shots of espresso to be poured on top. Now we pour our espresso directly on top of the mixture. Drizzle on our caramel sauce. And finally, the best part is we're going to use our cold brew lids on top so that way you can taste the layers and get that sweet frothy mixture first. Now I'm going to taste test it. It is so delicious. If you guys try this recipe, let me know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.